Hi, this is Carol, and today I'm participating in the final part of the Part 4 series, My Christmas, My Style, hosted by Catherine from Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. The inspiration for my Christmas tree comes from this one that was done by Frontgate a few years ago, so I'm going to show you how I did my tree. Guys, so this is what my tree looks like. My inspiration came from that front gate picture that I showed you. And the majority of the crystals I purchased from AliExpress, and some of them I purchased throughout the years when I would go to garage sales. They would sell chandeliers, and I would buy the chandeliers and keep the crystals. I just want to say, excuse the mess in the background, because as you can see, I'm doing the Christmas decorations, so I'm doing all the other trees, so I'm trying to do everything at once. So this is a close-up of my tree, and you guys, I love this tree. It has so many of my favorite items. It has acrylic on it, it has crystals on it, it has chandelier prisms on it, and it actually has some really nice chandelier ornaments that I picked up from Bowrins or Bombay, I'm not quite sure. So I'm just going to sit back and relax along with you guys and enjoy the tree. I'd like to thank Catherine from Amateur Decorating Like a Pro for hosting this collab, and if you have not done so, please hit that subscribe button.